Hi everyone, welcome to Data Sofa. My name is Taiwo. In today's section, we'll be exploring how to create multiple table relationships in Power BI as illustrated on the screen. As you can see, this is a sample table relationship diagram which I'm going to load already designed to show you how you can work with table relationship in Power BI. And I'm just going to give you a summary explanation of table relationship in Power BI. Table relationship is used to define how data is connected between individual tables or across multiple tables, and is very crucial to establish the table relationship model to generating meaningful reports and ensure accurate data aggregation across all the data sets. Please note, using table relationship within the data model improves data integration and supports more effective data management and analysis. Also, it improves performance because all your data is going to be more efficient run, and it reduces redundancy, data redundancy, and be rest assured there will be no duplication when you are using table relationship to generate your data, especially for those of you that work with big large data sets. So let me quickly load our Power BI sample application that will be ready to show you how table relationship works. This particular table is already populated by these 6 different tables that stand on its own, which was imported from Microsoft Excel. We have category, that's category table, we have customer table, and we have employee, and we have other details, and we have others, and we have products. So you can see all these column make up of this particular table. So, and for you to see the table relationship, you need to go to model view, which is this one. Then you click that, you can see these are the table relationship. If I double click any of these, it shows you the possibility of 4 cardinality of table relationship, which range from many to one, one to one, one to many, and many to many. So in this particular tutorial, we are concentrating on just only on many to one. So this is all what it's all about when it comes to table relationship. So I will be showing you from the beginning to show you how to do that because I already designed my data set because the data set used was extracted from Microsoft Access, but I use Microsoft Excel because most people are familiar with Microsoft Excel. Just extracted all the data in 6 different tabs. So bear with me, it's loading. And our blank page is still loading. There you go, this is our blank page. And the first thing to do, you can see there's no data in our data set. So we're going to click on import data from Excel. So we click not win table all, where we have all our 6 different tables, range from category to product. So we click category and customer, employee, other details, other products, and we click load. We don't want to do any transformation, and it's loading. They are successfully loaded. You can see from the right hand side of the data, these are our data: category, customer, employee, other details, other product, just similar to what we showed you initially. So before we continue, just the miracle when it comes to Power BI, as powerful as the application tools for data analysis is automatically recognizing all the table relationship, and which I'm going to show you now. It's just going to reduce the view so that you can properly see all of it. So this is our 6 table. So see, if you move your cursor here, it's going to show you the relationship between the two tables. See other ID. From other details we have other ID, and from other we have other ID. If I come here between these two tables, product and category, we have category ID and we have category ID in both table, in the product table and in the category table. So, and if you are double click on it, it's still going to give us many to one. As I said earlier on, this particular tutorial is based on many to one. In the nearest future, I'm going to roll out possibility of many to many and one to many and many to one. Depends on your preference, especially when you are doing a very complex data set. So we're going to go back to our report view to do the same thing similar to what we did initially. Just we click on our table and we're going to use our table to populate all data from the 6 different tables. The first one we're going to choose product names from this, our product. We're going to choose order date, ship city, ship date from our order. From our order details, we're going to choose unit price, quantity. From our employee, we're going to just choose first name. As you can see, it's populating. From our customer, we're going to choose company name and phone. And from our category, we're going to choose this category name. So we can make it more, change the value to increase the size for easy view. Also, we're going to go to our column header to change it to size 12 to make it bold. And that's it. So you can see this all comprised of data from this table. As you can see, if I click table once again, it's going to show you the visualization. You see, these are all our data. As you can see, anytime you see all the selection of tick, that means this data related to what you have on the table. So another thing you have to take into consideration when you are designing any table that are related, even though just two table, you must be two very important crucial points. Your table mustn't have a broken link in the ID, and also you must use the same data type. So I'm going to show you the reason why it's very important. So I'm going to click Ctrl N to load another blank page. And our blank page is loading. There you go, this is our blank page. I'm going to just click blank and I'll just straight away go to import data set. Import from data from Microsoft Excel. You can see this one has got something broken, which is different from the initial one. So it's loading and just straight away going to select our data. We have, remember, we have category, customer, employee, other details, other products. Then we click load. It's loading. You can see loaded successfully. So what we want to do is go straight away to model view. Let us show you all the data we have successfully loaded. Well, there's one glitches in this particular data which is applicable. Let's just go to our model view. You can see this in our model view, something is missing here because customer is not linking, and the reason is straight away because of the let me show you straight away. If you go back to table view, if you go to our customer table, you can see this, there's a broken link. However, you can have blank in your other data, but in any ID you are not allowed to have blank, and they must have the same data type. That's the reason why it's broken. So if you go to our report view and click on our table, quickly check if all data will be related. It's not going to work because of that particular problem. So if you click, you're not going to select like what we did initially. Just product name, go other city, just to select anything, just to showcase why it's not working. Quantity, under employee, country, what is first name, and if you come to customer, you see this is the error. That's the reason why it's not working, because of that particular issue of blank. So if I go back, if I select something from the category name, that's still going to work. If I come back to customer, it's not going to work, and because of that caveat, so it's not related. So it's going to give you error. Anything you select from customer is not going to give you error. So the solution is for you to remove all the blank and make sure all the ID has got details data in them. So this is all what you need to understand when it comes to table relationship in Power BI. So sky is limit. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any query related to anything data analysis, like to train you in Power BI, Microsoft Excel, advanced other data analysis tools, you can get in touch with us. Reach us at datasoftware2024@gmail.com. And also, I'm going to be rolling out additional, more advanced table relationship, like many-to-many for complex data set that are required for those that are working with a big, large data set. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.